I was asked to do a little more from the last run. They said I should not handle these things with gloves. So, fuck it, let's go. With Cogito is again a beginning of something new, but already things are very, how to say, boiled out. No, like a done thing that I'm using now, tools I learned in the past 11 years. I think of me as the owner of the idea, this gazda of the thing, and I have wishes, but I needed them to create their solos.
Ja sam lover. Pa u bistvu ne zavodim nikoga, ja mislim da ja samu sebe zavodim. Da je taj neki, da tu polako dolazim do tog zaključka, da nije da ja sada privlačim nekoga ili da ga mađijem, nego i više da sam sama sa sobom strastvena, pa zavodim samu sebe. Ja samu sebe obožavam na neki način.
Jaz sem judge oziroma sodnik. Najbolj sodi v bistvu sam sebe. In cel čas sem v konfliktu sama s seboj in iščem načine, da bi bila bolj svobodna, pa bolj sproščena, pa ne morem. Sem v tem drilu konstantno.
It was great because it seemed like a way of getting connected. Okay, so it's always a process. It's not like, okay, now I know you. It's okay, you showed me something of yourself, and this I like it. I really like it felt right.
It's really nice because I can share something really personal in the piece, and I really had to, you know, I really enjoyed the fact that I can, you know, bring something that it's really, really special to me. Well, I'm actually the let's say the end of life.